All right, so when I'm not working on Chevys, Internationals, or Plymouths, I am working on coffee roasters. So I've got a few of these old Royal Coffee roasters sitting in the garage here. Got 3 of them. And I got this one stripped down. I've been using my little Harbor Freight sandblaster over there and blasting and painting all the parts, freshening them up for service at a local coffee shop. And this is how it's coming out. So we're going with fire engine red with silver adornments. I'm using aluminum and what's called like chrome paint, which has a nice little shine to it. But yeah, that's about a 1929 Royal Coffee Roaster model number 5 that I'm restoring. So if this is something that you folks will find interesting, let me know in the comments section, and I'd be more than happy to do a little, hodgepodge YouTube series on it to where you can see what it's like to tear one apart and put one back together. So if that's something that would interest you, let me know in the comments. Until we meet again, stay gold.